Today on My Beautiful Client, we will be doing a hand-tied extension install with a twist. My client likes to wear braids down the middle or pigtails, but she didn't want to see the hand-tied extensions. Keep watching to see how I got this result so she can wear it without showing her extensions. Since I will be installing 24-inch extensions on her 18-inch hair, I will have to use 2 rows of extensions. Right now I am parting her hair for her first row. While you section out her hair, just remember to have your lines crisp and clean. Here I am measuring her wefts to her hair just so I know where I can section it off for my beads. Once I know where I want to section it off, I make a veil so I can put my beads in that line. Here I am putting the beads in and putting them to the side because I will go back and pinch them down. Once I finish with the beads, I lay down my bottom weft because I like to do the unseen method, and I will lay down the beads in the middle. Once I pinched down the beads, I will lay my top weft on top and sew it all together. This is the technique I like to use when I'm sewing, just so I have a great result and she has a great grow out. Once I get to the ends, I do like to double loop just so her ends lay down more seamless and not floppy. Once I am done, I like to pull the wefts up and clean the bottom just so there's no matting. And this is the final result. I love that this look is very diverse and she can pull it up whichever way she wants.